Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video presentation is prepared to present the marketing plan for the new diminishing musharaka product, home financing product, introduced by Maldives Islamic Bank to facilitate customers in acquiring their financial services to finance their homes. In this presentation, I will be focusing on the communication channels in terms of marketing the product to the public. As you know, housing in the Maldives is one of the most demanded products, where the supply is always behind the demand, and financial intermediaries have been slow in meeting the requirements from the public. In this presentation, let me take you through the suggested communication channels for marketing the product to the public. I would like to focus the presentation in key 5 areas. First of all, our product will be reaching the mass market through TV advertisements, radio and newspaper advertisements. We will be marketing our product to the whole nation. Although the financing facilities are available to the greater Malé area, people from around the country are willing and enthusiastic to have a housing facility near the Malé area. We believe that through TV, radio and newspaper, we will be able to deliver the message that MIB is offering Sharia compliant housing facilities for the public at affordable prices. Secondly, our marketing communication channels would also focus to conduct some road shows around Malé and nearby areas. We would like to pull the customers by holding their hand. Our marketing teams will set up their tents around Malé at the Marine Drive, where many of the Maldivians take their free ride every day. On this basis, we will be able to meet them, talk to them, find what they think about our product and how we can satisfy their requirements. The show will be conducted for a period of 2 months' time. We are also focusing our marketing efforts in terms of directly reaching our customers. One of the best ways to reach our existing customers is to send them SMS, to send them emails, and not only reach their doorstep but reach their hands and their heart wherever they are. Through our SMS tailor-made for the product and through the email communication, we will be able to tell the customer about our product. We will be able to give them as much as details they require. Moreover, there will be an email feed that will continue the communication on a personal scale with each and every customer. We also would like to focus our marketing efforts to the people who are not already in Malé but are around the country working in resorts. We know Maldives has a huge tourism base, where our economy is dominated by tourism industry. Many of the workers working in the tourism sector are situated in resorts, some of them far away from Malé. Our marketing team will take their efforts and visit the workplace of these resort employees. We would like to surprise them with our team at their resorts. Through these channels, we will be able to provide as much as details to our customers regarding our product and to get a very personalized feedback. Last but not least, we will be giving them our contact details around the country. We will be having billboards about our product and how they can contact us. We will be having our website focused to deliver them materials and information regarding the product We will also have a portal where they can submit their application forms through our internet banking and other secure networks. We believe that through these channels we will be able to capture our market the way we want, and we will be able to penetrate and retain as much as customers so that our financial goals are achieved. That's all for this presentation, and thank you very much.